divorce during conditional green card, will it be a problem if I file I-751 exception 90 days before? Okay, that's a very interesting question. It's a very complex issue. And definitely I recommend, first of all, having a lawyer. Getting divorced when you have a removal of condition case pending or just general, you need a waiver of that, is a complex problem and always leads to issues. So I really do recommend having a lawyer. But the general requirement is if you get married within and get the green card within 2 years of the marriage, you get a conditional green card, 2-year green card. At around the 2-year mark of having that green card, you have to file another application form I-751, removal of conditions, where you and your spouse sign it, send it in with evidence and documents that you're in a real relationship. Well, sometimes the relationship doesn't work out. So in those kind of cases, you can request a waiver. When you are doing a waiver-based I-751, you don't have to follow that 90-day window of timing of when you can file that. You can file it before or after. One of the main things, though, is that you have a divorce certificate or be close to getting that divorce certificate, because they cannot approve that case unless your divorce is finalized. So that's one issue that pops up. And also, if your marriage didn't work out so soon, you have less documentation and evidence of your relationship. So you really need to dig down and gather a lot of proof that the marriage is real, and maybe have affidavits and personal statements and letters from other people, a lot of additional work for the officer to be able to believe that the relationship is real. And you may have an interview that you have to do, so in person, for them to talk with you. Not always, but most of the time. So there's a lot of preparation that needs to happen if you're going to do a waiver of the I-751 requirement. So be prepared for that. It's not a walk in the park, put it that way. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please click subscribe down here and ring that bell to get the latest updates. Also, please follow us at the links above on these various social media sites to catch the latest information, live videos, and more to help you be updated on U.S. immigration.